to log in to Ceridian Payroll account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser and at the top search bar type in Ceridian Payroll Login. You will see Ceridian HR Payroll Login in the first search result. Tap open it. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your Ceridian account, type in your user ID at the first box. Once done, tap on your password and type in your password. Once you do so, tap on to sign in. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account. In case you're having any issues logging into your Ceridian account, tap on forgotten password and get help resetting your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.